Communication. Control, break. I would like to announce Bayawan City is just hit by a magnitude 6.5 earthquake. According to PHIVOLCS, epicenter is at 2 kilometers east of Sitio Maninihon. Damages are expected. So requesting all incident command members to proceed to City Plaza. Incident command post is established at Bayawan City Plaza. Wait for further instructions. Stand by. Incident command members, check in please. Palong na itong power. Gikan sa Noreco. Operations. Check in please. Logistics. Safety officer is here. Admin. Okay. Ma'am, logistics please. Pila kabuk atong sakyanan na ron nga naka-check in?
9 drop side for the rescuers and 9
Talihog to take note.
for
Operations, please check. Pila kabuk atong responders nga naa?
and evacuees.
Safety officer, please list down atong mga incidents. We have vehicular accident sa Arbo Station. Please feed the Arbo Station CCTV, please. We have also another vehicular accident near National High School. Operations, please collect response team, no? Kinsa na ready nga mga response team. Naay kahoy na tumba sa CFI Dapit. We have looting incident now sa public market. Okay, na ini come up nga scenario, ang bridge dili na maagian.
Ani ati kita karon sa command center kung asa na monitor ang mga paghitabo sa first citywide earthquake drill sa Dakbayan sa Bayawan.
Logistics, do we have enough vehicles? Very good.
Vehicular accident at bang sa National High School. So, kami take charge dito sa iyong area pod. So, kami 12 personnel.
Kumusta atong traffic? Naka-deploy na ta? Very good. So, operations deployed na tatanan?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Good. Naay message nga kinahanglan 5 ka pamilya sa GK, no? Kinahanglan temporarily relocate.
Sir, okay na ang looting, na-control sa PNP.
Control, Command Post 1. Please verify kung naay na-send nga response team sa Pagatban and sa Kabkabon. Ang sa senaryo sa bridge na to, kumusta? Okay, please advise katong mga traffic area nga clear na kay para maka-advise ta sa transportation team na makapadayon ang mga flow sa traffic, ha? Control, Command Post.
Command Post,
Please instruct all responders na ang tung hospital dili na magamit. All patients proceed diri sa temporary medical post sa City Plaza.
ikot na present siguro hindi na to dito. Dili na pwede mo ikot dira tungod kay ang pressure samad dito sa pan sa likod ra. Okay. Dito up. 3, 2, 1, up. Dito up. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sir, Benicio, sir. Pero,
Clear na ang BNHS. Arbo Station, Ma'am Lawas, clear na po, pwede na pa.
National, kamantos.
Ang sa premium katunayan na tumbang akaw, clear na.
National, kamantos.
Clear na ang sa Premio, pwede na pa.
Villarreal. Asa mo sa kapasinti nila?
Ani ati kita karon sa temporaryong medical area kung asa ato ang makighinabi ang nagman sa medical team nga si Miss Sharmela Ridad. Ma'am, pwede ba natong mahibalaan ang kasamtang estado karon sa mga biktima sa linog karon?
Okay, so aduna tay 14 all in all nga victims sa ato ang earthquake, no? So natay victims due to vehicular accident, na-trap dito sa ato ang Old City Hall, and then naatay katong natumbahan sa ato ang nag-collapse nga structure sa public market. So since dili na to magamit ang hospital, so we have it here na lang. So ang mga patients nato karon so far stable na siya. Ang uban adunay grabe-grabe, no, pero we make it sure nga ma-stable sila sa ato ang with the help of our medical team. So aduna tay mga nurses from the Department of Health nga nitabang nato karong hapuna. So so far, okay ang ato ang mga patients na karon. Stable na sila.
Atong nakita ang kasamtangang estado karon sa moresponde alang sa kalamidad nga sa Dakbayan sa Bayawan nga ready na ang bayawanon. Ibayaw ang bayawan.
The number is 40 minutes. That's the number that we have. I am not sure how the others are doing. I am informed the national time was an hour, but of course, most of them were bigger cities with more people. Later on, I would like to know how the cities comparable to us are doing. But if we will have to do this again, at least we already know that the benchmark is 40. 3 o'clock was the drill of the earthquake. Within 10 minutes, the command system officials were able to gather and convene. Within 7 minutes from the ICS gathering, the dispatch was made. Pasabot, within 7 minutes, a decision and instructions were given for it to be dispatched. So from 3:17, everything was clear by 3:40. Therefore, we had 40 minutes to do everything that we had to do. In our opinion, that's a good time. That's a time that's good enough. But of course, as we will have to keep on perfecting this, at least we already have a number to run after or to better the next time around, or if the real thing comes. A lot of people talk about the big one, but it's not just about the big one. It's about a lot of things. With the climate change happening, we see that more disasters of maybe what I say man-made in nature are happening. I see man-made because we're the ones who destroy the climate in the first place, and it's always good to be ready. Once again, I would like to congratulate everybody, especially the head of the disaster officials, Mr. Ryan Torreda and his team. We're doing well, and I expect with all the support given by the city itself and by all its citizenry, we should do better. Congratulations everyone. Thank you very much.